So, you know that feeling when a bad mood hits you, nothing dramatic happens, but something shifts inside. And suddenly your mind is running, replaying things, criticizing, worrying. And the harder you try to think your way out, the worse it gets. Most of us assume the answer is better thinking, more positive thinking. But Singer says, yes, that's actually a real technique. There is something deeper available to us, and we find out what that is. So, this video is based on first question in Wisdom Untethered from the opening chapter called The Mind, in the section called The Foundation. The question someone asked Michael was this: how can I use the mind as a tool to escape the negative thoughts or feelings? It's a question most of us have already asked in some form. Maybe not in those words, but we have been there, caught in the spiral, desperately looking for the way out. So Singer says, mind is not one thing, it has two layers. One is the lower mind. That is the part that reacts, trained by every hurt, every fear, every difficult experience you've ever had. And when something triggers it, it pulls you down into that old reaction automatically. And then there is a higher mind, that part that can lift you out of those patterns. It can redirect your attention. And you have access to both. The question is, which one are you feeding? So here's Singer's first practical answer. When you notice the mind beginning to spiral, don't just watch it go. Actively redirect it. Use an affirmation, a mantra, or something even simpler. Singer says you can just repeat it to yourself. I can handle this. That's it, over and over again. No matter what thoughts are arising, I can handle this. It does sound simple, but what you're actually doing is taking the energy that was about to drag you down and consciously lifting it somewhere higher. This is the first step and it genuinely works. But he says there's a deeper level available. At the highest level, the real work is not about battling the mind at all. It is about learning to relax in the face of whatever it's doing. So when someone cuts you off, when a mood descends and you don't even know why, instead of fighting it, just relax, let go. If you stay relaxed, Singer says the energy that was about to get caught in negativity will eventually rise up inside you. He calls this transmutation of energy. So transmutation is a powerful tool, but the idea is simple. When a negative feeling arises, we usually do two things. We collapse into it and let it drag us down, or we fight it, which only makes it louder and harder. Singer points to a third option. Notice the feeling, don't follow it, don't push it away. Simply relax and let it pass through. Over time, the negative starts to loosen its grip. The thing that's used to disturb you no longer have the power. So mind is a tool, a beautiful one, but it has never meant to be who you are. Most of us have been using it like a rescue service, asking the mind full of fear and noise to tell us how to find peace. But that's like asking the problem to go solve itself. The mind can help lift you, and yes, use it for that purpose, but the deepest freedom comes when you stop fighting what's inside and start letting it pass through. So you come to the question most of us have asked: how do I get out of this spiral? Singer gives two honest answers. Use the higher mind to redirect. Affirmations, mantra, I can handle this. And when you're ready, relax in the face of it. Let it move through you. Don't add fuel to it. So both of these options are available to you right now. So let's close with a moment to actually practice what Singer is describing. Sit comfortably, let your body resettle. Take one slow breath in and release it completely. Now, bring the mind to something small that has been bothering you lately. Not the biggest thing, just something with a low hum of tension around it. And notice how the mind immediately wants to go towards it, to solve it, to explain it. And now, instead of following the thought, just notice that you're aware of it. You are not the thought, you are the one watching it arise. Gently, without effort, relax your shoulders. Relax an area around your chest, your heart. Don't fight what's there. Don't push it away. Just let it be there. And soften around it. Notice what happens when you stop resisting. The thought is still there, but it has little less grip now, a little less weight. So that softening, that is a beginning of transmutation. Stay here for a moment, just aware, just present, just watching. And when you're ready, take one slow breath. And come back. So if you'd like to go deeper, we have made a free journal with simple daily prompts inspired these teachings. Link will be in the description. It has gentle daily prompts, a quick mindfulness journal. We will make a video about that soon. So when a negative mood hits, do you usually fight it or follow it? Please tell us in the comments. And if this resonated with you, please do subscribe. The next video answers the question underneath this one. We'll see you there. Thank you for watching.